Lawmakers have conducted a comprehensive inspection along the Bahr el Ghazal highway to evaluate the advancements and challenges facing construction efforts of this vital route. The delegation was the Deputy Chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Roads and Bridges, Dwot Juma Asko. SSBC's Manga reports.
The delegation was briefed by the second contractor, ARC, who took over the project from Shandong High Speed Company last year. ARC project manager, Engineer Yang Jo, expresses the company's unwavering dedication to completing the construction within the agreed timeline. He revealed that ARC has enlisted the expertise of several reputable international construction firms to address any gaps in the project.
It covers long distance with some layers, like subbase layer and subbase. So from Akun here up to Bol Mel, it is complete. Subbase layer is done. So now we are moving only with the subbase. Even the subbase is also completed. And then from Bol Mel to Kwajuk, people are now working on the second layer of the subbase. From Kwajuk up to the place called Union, people are now working on the top layer of subbase. And then from Union up to Wow, subbase is completely done.
The road minister in Western Bahr el Ghazal State, Gilo Bancio, emphasizes the importance of cooperation between local communities and construction companies for the successful development of critical infrastructure.
نحن استقبلناهم عملنا بريفنج أو للمشاريع بتاعت الطرق والجسور في الولاية. زي ما ذكرت في الحديث عندنا كل تكريم من بورو جاهز للافتتاح وإن شاء الله يفتتح قريبا. وعلى المستوى بتاع الولاية عندنا 60 كيلو بتاع الرئيس اللي تبربون هنا ماشيين فيها كويسين ويمكن قطعنا فيها مرحلة كويس. حاليا على المستوى بتاع الهاي واي الشارع روم جابوه ومشاوه بعينهم وبرضه هيمشي من هنا لأويل. العرس شغال في شارع بتاع أويل واو.
Other speakers echo this sentiment and urge patience to allow national companies to execute their plans effectively.
And we are here, we have finished our work and we have come here to give thanks to, after we have done our tedious work, we started here in Terkeika up to northern Bahr el Ghazal. Really, we have seen the work. We want to thank first of all our national company, which is called ARC, which has come to start the work. It started the work from the roundabout of Terkeika up to northern Bahr el Ghazal. We want to urge our public also to listen to what we are going to put in front of you.
The inspection underscores the significance of the Bahr el Ghazal highway in facilitating connectivity and economic growth within the region.